Hello everyone, welcome to Deep Focus. Today we are going to discuss how to apply for Lazio Disco Scholarship. First of all, click on the link provided in the description and you will see this homepage. Click on the area reserved for students and sign in. Input all of your information: name, first name, surname, date of birth and fiscal code. For fiscal code, you will have to go to Google and search for Italian text code. Click on the first link, fill out this information. Your place of birth should be Pakistan and this is your text code that has been generated. Go ahead and paste that. Select foreign and Pakistan as your birth state. Similarly, upload your passport information. Make sure your information that you upload is correct. I'm just inputting random details. You have to input specific data. After that, you can go ahead and sign in. Here you can see you have two options. One is add request and another is open ticket. Open ticket option is for phase 2, if you want to make any amendments, for example, upload your DOV later on. In order to apply, you will click on add request. Scroll down. In the last box, call for right to education, click on request. Now here you see all these steps, 2 of them have been filled. You need to click on domicile and input your residence details. You will click on yes, of course. In this section, you will have to select at home address. In the next section, here you will input your university details, where you are going to study, your university department and other things. And if you have had any previous degree, then details about that college and everything. In this section named family, you will input number of family members. For example, if there are 4, 2 of them will be parents and 1 will be sibling. In this section, you will input your economic data, that is your income and the property details. You will input your income in euros, and also if you do not have any property, just input 0. Here you will input the benefits that you are requesting. For example, if you want scholarship and also accommodation, click yes on both. And if you are an Erasmus student, then click yes, otherwise just keep it no. These are all the accommodation preferences. Now in this list you can check which ones are in your city. For example, if you're going to Rome, then which one of these can be your preference. I'm just going to input randomly. You have to make sure you input correct preferences. In this step, you will tell them if you already have a study grant or a scholarship. If you do not have any, then just input no in all. Here you will choose what kind of mode of payment you want for the scholarship. You can choose IBAN code or IBAN account with university card and others. Next section, you will upload your documents. Now all of the documents that you're going to upload, your income certificate, your property certificate and your passport, should be in single PDF. Here is the checklist of documents that you need: passport, income certificate, property certificate and a DOV. Here are some important points that you should remember. For 28 July, you have to upload and apply with passport. Also at this stage, you can upload income and property certificates without MOFA attestation. Also, if your income certificate mentions your property details, you do not need a separate property certificate. You can upload DOV, MOFA attested income certificate and property certificate after August 4th through opening a ticket. That's it. That's how you apply for Lazio Disco Scholarship. You can go ahead and submit. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.